What's up guys, today I'll be installing an F1 light, which is the SMY V3 version for my VB WRX. So I got the version 3 for SMY, and then right out the box it comes obviously with the bag, and within the bag there's the hardware, the cables, the bracket, the screws, zip ties, and then it actually comes in with candy, Sour Patch Kids, Sweetest Fish, SMY sticker in case you want the F1 light to flash or just to stay still when you brake. There's instructions for that. But what you'll need is pretty much flathead, Phillips screw, a 10mm, and a blade. I went with the clear version, but the bar is pretty much red. It's clear lens. I personally think it'll go well with my black VB. I'm not sure if I should go with like a black and red theme, but honestly at this meantime this looks pretty cool personally. There's 4 pins, one right here, another here, and another one here. To make things easier, so it can be a lot easier to get under it, just use this jack, lift it up a little, push it in from this side towards that side. There's actually 4 pins, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. Just push it out as much as you can, literally. So grab your G-nut. Where you're gonna place this, it's pretty much right on the left side, under. So make sure that the thread towards the middle. That should be fine. There you go. Now grab your bracket and have an idea that the J clip on this side, so you'll be screwing in a lug nut or one of the Phillips screws from here, and then grab your regular clip, and then you'll be pretty much locking it from this side. Grab your pin and a lug nut, or for the socket, for the Phillips, use either or. So once you're in there, clip it. After you install the bracket, grab your F1 light. At the bottom, you'll see that there's open areas for you to screw in your F1 light. One on the bottom left, one on the top right. After hand tightening all 3 screws, the cable should be loose on top. After mounting this, time to unscrew this piece right over here. So just grab it and just pull it out. Boom, we're good. And after pulling that apart, 2 screws will be exposed. It should be that easy. Once it's being exposed, just disconnect this piece right here. You use a flathead for this part because sometimes it gets stuck. So after exposing this part, you're going to be connecting these 2 cables. What you will do with this cable, you have to fish it right under. So you have to like fish it down there. And I'll show you how to like cable manage that part. So let's fish this part down here. Under here, you'll see the cable down here. Just pull it carefully. After fishing it under, adjust it behind these inserts for the plug. Pile it up as if the way you found it. I would mount it with a zip tie right under here, man. After that, like I said, zip tie on that area so the cables won't be exposed all over the place. Much better to have it like that so it looks a lot better under. Say hello to the world, buddy. Once you did that bottom part, time to put the tail light back. Time to turn it on to make sure that it works. Now that it works, peel this. So satisfying to do this. Oh, that's pretty sick. Honestly, guys, this is pretty sick, man. Alright, to turn off the flash, if you get annoyed of it or if you want it back on, hold the brake and then have it go here, the front lights, because it's actually currently off right now. So go 1, 2, 3, and it should turn off. Simple as that. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching, man. Honestly, this F1 light is bright at night and it looks pretty freaking awesome. I recommend it. It's an easy install, so do it, man. That's all I gotta say. Just do what I did and then bam, simple as that. Leave a like, leave a sub if you want to keep watching more content from me, either if it's live stream or my venture with my WRX. Any support is welcome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Till next time.